Hi guys, welcome back to week 2 of my vlog series on my page. Today we are going to Trueleo in Miami to get a TrueFlex treatment. Basically, this machine, they hook up like electrodes to your body and make your muscles contract a bunch of times.
Use the right lane to bear right to merge onto State Route 826 South.
And basically what it does, it sculpts and defines your muscles. So if you're already working out, you're already a gym baddie, it makes your muscles like more defined, basically. So I had it done last week and I recorded a little bit of it, but I'm gonna record it today for the vlog series. Oh my goodness, hold on. Yeah, so yeah, I recorded a little bit last week, but I'm gonna record for the YouTube today, and I'm hoping to get a facial today. I got one a couple of weeks ago, but you guys, I've been on this skincare journey trying to find out how I can get my skin back to where it was a while ago. Yeah, I've just been trying different things. I've been on tretinoin now for 3 months, and I think it's going pretty good, but I'm not breaking out as much. But when I do break out, I get like horrible scarring, and so I'm just trying to like clear up my scars, you guys, and I've been like really trying to pay attention to like
the second or third lane from the right to take the exit onto State Route 836 Eastern Florida's Turnpike towards Miami International Airport.
I've been really trying to like work on like not my diet, but the things that I'm eating. It's kind of a new venture for me. I'm doing something new, trying this vlog thing out to see how I like it. And yeah, we are back on YouTube, so here we go.
Leave me here, I'll fuck myself. See me in the mirror, I'd up myself. Don't need muscle, fuck my wealth.
We're not doing a peel today. She did say that I need one, but she said that it's too hot right now in Miami to do one. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna do our second round of the TrueSculpt. Oh wait, not the TrueSculpt, the TrueFlex, which is this machine right here. And today I'm gonna add in my butt. So let me show you guys my butt, what it looks like. Okay, so this is my butt right now. Not too shabby, but we're gonna see how we look after our treatment today. I'm gonna set this up here. This is my before. As you can see. Okay. And then we're gonna come in, do some before and afters, and I'm gonna post a video immediately after so you guys can see. And let me show you guys my before, my abs. So yeah, we are approximately 15 minutes in, and that have to be. She turned it up to 32%. Here, let's turn this off. But yeah, I have to take a little break because this thing is like, it's getting worse by the minute. Oh my goodness. Not worse like feeling wise. Like if I didn't have to pee, this would be fine. Alright, so I'm back. We did today a total of 25 minutes on the ab crunchy machine, and like I said, I did my butt today. We're supposed to do 45 minutes, but I had to get up and go to the bathroom in the middle, so we're gonna have to do a full 45-minute session next week. So let me show you what the abs look like now. I'm gonna put a picture in here because you guys will know. Like I said, next week we're going in for a third session, and it'll be 45 minutes. We're gonna do the abs and the butt so we can see like a true before and after difference. And I'm gonna try to wear like the same outfit so we can see exactly like how it looks side by side. So yeah guys, great day, great med spa day, and we'll see you next week. Always get vinaigrette because it makes it taste so much better. Yeah, white rice. I said no, not sparkling. White rice, chicken, fajitas, sour cream, corn, lettuce, and vinaigrette. What do you put on your Chipotle bowl?
White rice, black beans, chicken. Sometimes I throw chicken, sometimes steak. Then I get pico de gallo, cheese, lettuce. And then sometimes I get the green and red sauce. And the vinaigrette, the mustard.
All right, going to UPS, dropping this stuff off. My little helper's back there. Oh, it's busy in here. Alright, so I made it back to my house. I was just ripping around doing errands all day. But I am about to get myself together. I have some content to make tonight for Michael Kors. And if you guys follow me on TikTok, you will be seeing that very soon. Why is my forehead so damn big? Anyways, I have to make an ad for Michael Kors. So I'm gonna rack my brain and try to figure out some concepts of what I can do, but I want the video to be like very classy, very elegant, very like put together. So I'm gonna wake up. First of all, I'll take you guys with me so you can see some BTS, but I won't obviously be posting that here on YouTube, but you guys can kind of see some of the behind the scenes and where I'm going to be shooting at. And yeah, that wraps up today. This is probably gonna be the most eventful days of this week because like I said, this week has been very chill. It's a very chill week for me. I don't really have too much going on this week, but that is great because I need to get some stuff done. So I will wrap today. We had a great Tuesday and we're looking forward to tomorrow. Okay, bye. I know I've been away. Morning guys, it's Wednesday, September what's today? The 4th. So we are going to get our nails done this morning. I am in Pembroke Pines, my old stomping grounds. I have 2 different nail people who I go to, but this guy whom you guys are about to meet, he's been doing my nails, well he was doing my nails while I used to live up here. So I trust him with my life. Tim, his sisters, I think his brother used to work here too, but I don't think he works here anymore. But anyways, I just left Walgreens to get some cash and the gas station to get some gas. So we are getting our nails fixed. My nails look horrible. They probably look fine on camera, but like we got polish missing, we got a nail missing. Girl, it's long. I'm getting my nails done today. I'm gonna show you my inspo when I get to the nail shop. And I'm probably gonna be here for a few hours. I came very early. It is 9:30 in the morning. But I have some content due. I have some content due today. So I had to take the first appointment so I can get back home on time. So yeah, come with me to the nail shop. My nail guy. Say hi, Will. Oh no, there you go. Show you guys my inspo. And I have full confidence that he can do it because he's the best. next activity. I'm at the airport about to buy some flights for my friend's wedding. I have to buy them separate, and there's no one here. That smells good. Maybe they're on break. Okay. Let me wait for a few minutes. It doesn't say that they're closed. Hey, there's no one here. Let me look at the flight information. Yep, no Spirit flights today. Okay, we're back. I have some content due today, so I am editing that. It's actually due tomorrow, but I'm going ahead and getting it done today because I have more stuff to do when I get home. So this is what you got to do. You bring your laptop, you bring your vlog camera, bring snacks. You're back at my house. This is the last thing I have to do today. I'm doing some content for a jewelry brand called Banter by Piercing Pagoda. I'm doing just a quick light beat. It's a jewelry post, so I don't have to do super crazy makeup, but I am tired. I'm tired of doing stuff. Tired. I've been doing a lot today, a lot of like admin stuff, a lot of submitting stuff. Did I film it? I didn't film anything, but it's just been like a lot of editing and like making sure that I have posts done correctly and all this. It's just, it gives me a headache. So I'm doing a little bit of light makeup. I'm gonna set the camera up so you guys can see some BTS, but this is the last thing I'm going to do today, and I'm going to relax because I'm a little tired and a little bit.
In the meantime, just some me time. Maybe I'll love myself, I don't know. Leave me here, I'll fuck myself.
What a very long day I've had. I am tired. I'm tired of editing. I'm tired of doing stuff. I'm ready to go to sleep. I'm going to get wind down for the night, cook dinner, and go to bed. I will see you guys in the morning.